Hi there, my name is Milan Germshuizen. I am the Ecology Ranger on Vergenoegdloef Wine Estate. We are currently standing outside our homestead over here, which is also the start of our Ecology Tour. So what happens with the Ecology Tour is we usually like to start straight after the duck run at 9 o'clock. It's a beautiful walk and it lasts about an hour 15 to an hour and a half. We cover everything from history to nature to a little bit of the farming and the winemaking and just the general plants, animals and bird species that we find here on the farm.